Want a tasty diet meal that's healthy and guilt-free? Then this chicken dish is made for you. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's cook it together. Mushrooms, bell pepper, green chili, garlic, and chicken. We're about to create a flavorful and healthy dish using mushrooms, bell peppers, green chili, garlic, and chicken. Stay with me until the end of the video, and I'll reveal the secret to its delicious taste. This healthy dish isn't just tasty, it's full of nutrients. Mushrooms are low in calories and high in protein. Bell peppers and green chilies are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Garlic is a natural anti-inflammatory. And chicken is a great lean protein. It's light and satisfying on its own, but you can also serve it with a simple steamed rice cotta for a more complete and comforting meal. This oil I'm using is homemade, super nutritious, flavorful, and totally diet-friendly. If you'd like to learn how to make it, let me know in the comments. But for now, feel free to use olive oil instead. Now here's the secret to making this healthy dish extra delicious. We're adding a bit of curry powder, turmeric, and a splash of soy sauce to boost the flavor. Then let it sit for about 10 minutes so all the flavors can soak in. And that's it, our dish is ready. I really hope you'll give it a try and enjoy every bite. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching till the end.